Good evening. I'm called Maozak from Sina Loketa. I'm a South Sudanese by nationality, of age 27 years, but a refugee in Uganda. It was in July 2016 when heavy war occurred in my home country, where thousands of civilians lose their life, their properties, including me losing my father in a horrible life, leaving me and my family into uncertain future. Due to the war situation, we decided to run into the bush to hide from the gun bullets and the rampant killing, where we took 68 days in a bush to hide, but the situation became worse. No food, too much insecurity, no medication for the children. We decided to take a refuge to Uganda, where we worked for 7 days to reach to the borderline and get registered as refugees. Today, Uganda is among the top 3 refugee hosting nations in the world, with an average of over 1.6 million refugees who flee from different countries, like Congo, South Sudan, Ethiopia, and many others, of which closely to 1 million refugees are currently based in Bidibidi refugee camp, which has made Uganda today to become the biggest refugee hosting country in Africa. Imagine this number of population is added to a country of 40 million inhabitants, where 83% of the youths are unemployed in Uganda, according to the Uganda Bureau of Statistics of 2017 and 18. This makes the situation become impossible for these year refugees to get access to job opportunities that can help them to sustain their life and their families. Due to this, it has increased number of social and economic factors, economic challenges, like food shortage, early marriages, high criminal act by the youth, making the refugees to live in a traumatized life. But unfortunately, in 2017, September, I get access to join Social Innovation Academy, where I get empowered and trauma and healed and trained with entrepreneurship skill training, and get motivated with the scholars who have gone the same situation I went through, and team up with 6 dedicated members to create Sina Loketa, which will empower these young refugees and the marginalized youth to become social change makers in their communities with the ability of turning their challenges into opportunities. How are we going to make this? We are going to make this through entrepreneurship skill training, trauma healing, mentorship, life coaching on both personal and professional. We have so far started implementing our project by carrying out workshops and seminars and community meetings to engage these refugees to draw back their mindset, in which they have already lose hope. They have no hope. Where we learned that these refugees, they are not non-productive. They have ideas which can help them to solve their problems. And we also pitch our idea to some international organizations like One Light Global in USA, where they're able to support us with some startups for construction and registration, in which we are currently finalizing with our registration process of the project to become legal in the government of Uganda. By August, we'll be done with our registration for the project to become NGO, and we can start partnering with the other partners. And we also currently finalizing with the construction of the center. By September, we'll be done with the construction, and by October, we'll be starting with our past scholar selection. We will not do this alone. We are looking for support in terms of partnership, collaboration, mentorship, volunteering, in order for us to turn these refugees who have lost their hope into hopeful life. Therefore, through the collaboration with us, Sina Loketa is expecting at least 500 youth will have gone through their empowerment, where 90 social enterprises will be created and 1,000 jobs will be open to these refugees, and they'll be easily sustain their lives. Therefore, Sina Loketa envisions a world where young refugees and marginalized youth are self-sustainable and are able to contribute to their communities. Thanks, I welcome your feedback and your questions.